This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to stake on Exodus Wallet step by step. Open your Exodus app, unlock your wallet, and go to the Wallet tab. Select the coin you want to stake, review the staking terms, and choose amount to delegate. Confirm the transaction and wait for network confirmations. Monitor rewards and compound or withdraw as you prefer. I will walk you through each screen and explain key options simply and clearly. In this video, I will show how to stake on Exodus Wallet step by step. First, update Exodus and confirm your recovery phrase is backed up. Check the asset list to see which coins are eligible and note any minimum stake amounts or lock periods. Make sure you have enough balance to cover fees and your desired stake. I will explain how to manage risk and keep your keys safe while staking. In this video, I will show how to stake on Exodus Wallet step by step. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a fun companion while managing crypto, whether you want background music or voice timers. If you find this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful walkthroughs. I put the product link and extra deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to stake on Exodus Wallet step by step. Tap the asset, choose stake or delegate, and pick a validator if required. Review rewards and any lockup terms. Enter the amount to stake and confirm the transaction with your password or device signature. Wait for network confirmations and check the staking tab to see active delegation and accrued rewards. I will highlight where to monitor performance and unstake when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.